He got it. Say thank you.
Do you like dinosaurs?
He loves dinosaurs. I called a while ago.
Oh, awesome. First time, right?
Yeah, it's
awesome.
our first time.
The biggest rule here is as long as you're careful, things are very safe to touch. Gentle, and let us know if you have any questions. Fist bump. All right. My name's Brian. Let me know if you guys have any questions.
Okay, thank you. What is it? That's a skull.
Yeah,
Look at that. Look at the alligator skull. Oh, look at that one. Oh, sharp teeth. We're gonna go over there right now, okay? Let's follow Elijah. Oh, he must have had a lot of cavities. Uh-oh.
That's right.
That's a leg.
Oh, that's a big leg, huh?
Yeah, it was for the dinosaur.
Yep, it was for the dinosaur. Look at the claw, Elijah. Look at the claws. Ooh. Look at this.
Look at that. Mommy, look. Mom, look it.
Did you find something?
That's okay. Keep digging. They're going to be all the
Keep
way at the
digging.
bottom.
Right? What is it? What is it?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I see it.
look like to you?
Mom.
Do you think it's a shell? Do you think it's a tooth? So that is a trilobite. So that's an ancient sea bug. Those guys have been around before the dinosaur.
Did you find another one?
No.
No.
Another one.
You found another one.
Oh, very cool.
That one.
Stuck in there.
Oh, it's stuck in there. Oh.
Oh, you got it. I think you got it.
Ooh, that's
Oh,
big.
very cool. That's a big one.
I don't know.
You don't know?
That's okay. So that is called a coprolite. That's what paleontologists call a
And
coprolite.
there's
You know what
another
that
one.
means?
Yeah. And
That
there's
means-
another one.
So coprolite means it's fossilized poop.
Ooh, you got a poop right there, Elijah.
You got dino poop.
You got a dino poop.
Oh, nice. Got another tooth.
Those dinosaurs must have had a lot of cavities.
So get this. Those are actually shark teeth.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you know what kind of shark they come from? So those are mako shark teeth. So they're the fastest shark in the ocean. They're like the velociraptors of the sea.
Wow.
Another one.
Very cool.
Where's this one?
So that is amber. That's fossil maple syrup. It's fossil tree sap.
Mm.
And you're just gonna grab it with both hands right here. Right here.
Both hands. Elijah, get the sides.
There you go. Hold on to it real tight, okay? Don't let go. We're gonna dip it in the water about halfway in, so right there. And we're gonna give it a big shake back and forth. You ready? Shake, 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 shake. Alright, there you go. Ooh, look at all that. Very cool.
Oh, Eli, look at that.
See all those gems? Alright, we can lift it up, turn it over, put everything that you find right in here. Very cool.
Ooh.
A lot of big gems out of that.
Wow, Eli.
Look at that tiny one.
Elijah, you got your gems. Let me see your gems. Ooh, let me see them all. That's cool, Eli. Wash your hands? Yeah, okay, let's go wash your hands. Yeah, it's fun, you said.
That's awesome.
Over here. Go wash your hands over there.
Where?
Over there. There's a sink right there. Here, I can hold it. Okay, you can do it? Yes. Put your hands right underneath it.
Yeah. And no more?
No, you're done.